To get started with the Governor LED Lights app, you will first need to download it from the Play Store or App Store by searching for the Govee Home app. Once installed, open the application to view your dashboard, which is divided into three main tabs: Home, Device, and Automation. The Home tab allows you to log into your account. The Device tab is where you can add your devices by clicking the plus icon, selecting the device you want to add, and enabling Bluetooth to connect to it. After connecting, you can control the device's settings, such as turning it on or off, changing its color, and more. The Automation tab offers features like dynamic spring meditation. Additionally, there are other tabs, including the Explore tab, where you can discover trending content and share your own photos, and the Marketplace tab, where you can purchase various Govee products, like smart LED bulbs and door wall lights, to use in your home. The Profile tab allows you to create an account, log in, and save your settings and connected devices, eliminating the need to reconnect them. Overall, the Governor LED app offers a range of features and functionalities to manage and control your LED lights.